Manufacturing companies, both large-scale and small-scale, deal with hundreds if not thousands of transactions every single day as a result of being the largest sector of industries that involves a massive labor force, machines, and new technology. As they act as players in the supply chain industry by streamlining the manufacturing process, they have a high cash flow that needs to be meticulously organized and planned. What are the challenges faced by the manufacturing industry when it comes to the accounts payable process? AP processing is a vital component to keep track of the transactions taking place between the company, the suppliers, and the customers. While playing the role of a huge service provider, manufacturing companies also need to make sure that their money is spent at right time and on the right thing. Here are several challenges that result in a heavy cash drain that frustrates manufacturing companies. Too many bills and invoices. Paper cost. Manual labor cost. Unorganized data. Inaccurate data entry. How can AP automation save money? AP automation is a revolutionary technology that is designed to help companies to reduce additional costs and increase revenues. By automating the accounts payable process, manufacturing companies can reduce additional costs spent on manual data entry, paperwork, and data correction. Here are some ways how using AP automation software can help manufacturing companies save money. 1. Minimizes manual labor cost. The accounts payable process was traditionally done manually, where an employee enters the invoice data into the database. This can be tiring and costly. AP automation seeks to reduce this challenge by entirely automating the process. AP automation software is capable of extracting, processing, and storing data into the database without human interference. 2. Reduces paper cost and error cost. The traditional accounts payable process can result in entering multiple or wrong figures, duplicating calculations, and wasting stationery to correct data. Manufacturing companies can't afford to take any risk as they must support the supply chain industry with their production. AP automation software, which is 99% accurate, is specifically made to trace such inconsistencies within the cash flow. They can track duplicated data, payments, and many more. 3. Streamlines invoice processing. Maintaining the steady flow of production is an important aspect of manufacturing companies. When the AP process is automated, it ensures that the whole invoice processing is streamlined and the cash flow is controlled. When the manufacturing companies receive invoices from their suppliers and customers, AP automation solutions can extract them into the database and gear up the invoice approvals and payments. 4. Optimizes core cash flow. Accounts payable process automation makes sure that every invoice is extracted and processed. It allows you to view and track how much money has been coming in and going out of the companies. When you have direct access to the transactions, you can stop unwanted payments from happening and project money for the most needful. 5. Boosts customer and supplier relationship. Customer and supplier relationship is important for the survival of a manufacturing company. Since AP automation helps you to gain control over your cash flow, you can use your time to make new connections. How can ELIPO help you? ELIPO is the best vendor invoice processing solution that seeks to bridge the gap between you and your vendor by automating all your vendor invoices to reduce cost, save time, and increase efficiency. Visit our website at www.pioldedigisol.com or email us at sales@pioldedigisol.com now.